I'm in a BMW E60 M5. Next to me is an M140i. Next to that is an 840d. Now, we're going to have a drag race to see if those newer cars can humble this hero car. So I've got a 5-litre V10 engine with 507 horsepower. That M140i has a 3-litre straight-six turbo engine with 340 horsepower, while the 840d has a 3-litre straight-six diesel engine with 320 horsepower. So we can have a drag race, see what happens. This has launch control, that has launch control, so does the Diesel 8 Series, but this launch control is really weird, actually launched using the gear lever, and it's brutal, as you're about to see. Before we race though, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also check us out on Instagram at carwow. Right then, let's see what happens. Oh my God, wheel spin. Come on, M5. I've got to beat the diesel car, come on. I've got all the revs. I've just about got it. Oh my God, once this thing's going, it is nuts. I thought that 140i was going to do better than that. It got beat by the diesel 840d. That thing just launches brilliantly though because it's got all-wheel drive. This is rear-wheel drive, so is the 140i, so it probably struggled for traction a bit. Man, when this is going, this is mental. What an engine. I love this engine so much. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the E60 M5 did the standing quarter mile in 12.8 seconds. The 840d took 13.1 seconds, and the M140i took 13.6 seconds. Now we can have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, all locked in third gear. I'm going to call it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this picks up beautifully. Naturally aspirated engine. But the added torque of the turbos shows. And it's very close between me and the 140i, but now I'm taking him. And that's the end of that. I actually thought that the 840d would do better because it has the most torque, 680 Newton meters. That M140i has 500 Newton meters and this has 520. So I think until we were over legal speeds, that M140i was ahead, but then this did just pull it back. Now we're gonna have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we reach the cone, full emergency stop. Let's see what happens. I must say the gear changes on this auto are horrendous. It's like lurching about the place. Anyway, is it going to be 3 for 3, the E60? Cone! Come on! Yes! Oh, I don't know. I'm going to have to check. I really don't know. Beat the M140i, but I don't know about the 840d. Oh, damn it, it's super close, but I think the 840d actually stopped in a shorter distance just by about that much than this E60 M5, which is bizarre because that 840d is actually the heaviest car here. It's 1900 kilos, this is 1850. And that little M140i is actually just 1500 kilos, so it should have done better. Clearly not got the brakes, or the reactions of the driver were just bad. But there it is. 2-1 to this old hero. So not humbled, but it wasn't a clean sweep. Still, it's lovely. And what an engine. Sounds epic. If you enjoyed this video, please click on our logo to subscribe to this channel or to watch more content on the bottom right hand corner. However, if you want to save money on a car, click on the right to go to our deals page to see how much money you can save at CarWow.